Hey, what's going on, everyone? Bobby from Repair Shopper. It's time for Feature Friday, and wow, this feature that I'm about to talk about, I am super excited to finally share its existence. And you know what? I say that every week, but I especially mean it this week. So, you probably saw it in the title, but what the heck am I talking about? You can now set permissions on portal users for the customer portal. And if you don't know what that means if you don't want people to see tickets or invoices, or you just want to be able to assign access more quickly or more easily, you can finally do that. So let's check it out. If you go to the customer tab, as the system currently works now, and click into a customer, there is a section on the customer detail page called portal users. Portal users you can have automatically created for contacts and primary customers, and up until this point, the first portal user that got created was always for the top level customer, and that was the only customer that could see everything in the customer portal. And by everything, I'll show you what I mean here. So this is what a customer portal looks like for the primary contact. They can see all open tickets, invoices, estimates, assets, etc., etc. And then any contacts that are created afterwards are only able to see just their open tickets and their assigned assets, and that's it. People have been saying for a long time they want more accessibility to customize what is visible and who can see and do different things in the app itself. So let's do it. So when you create a new portal user, in the permissions dropdown by clicking this arrow here, there's a new field called portal group. And what we've done is we've actually created a similar setup to the security groups that we have at a user level inside of Repair Shopper, but we did that for portal users. So you'll notice here it says default permissions. And if you don't have a portal group set up, we've kind of bootstrapped in the existing permissions that were defaulted before. So for those of you that maybe haven't been using portal users yet, by default, the system will start out with the settings how they've always worked in the past. But after you create portal groups, you can come in here and just easily click a drop down. No more having to swap out the email address, login, and all of that, and change the contact drop down to kind of make somebody an admin. But as far as creating portal groups goes, let's do that. If you head to the admin screen, and then on the left, go to the customer section, there is a new option here called Portal User Permissions. If you click into that, this will look somewhat like security groups. You click New Group, give it a name. We'll call this one Admins. And then you'll see, just like in the security group section, a bunch of options. And of course, you could choose to check or uncheck all if you want. But what's really nifty here is you can really customize who can see what on the portal. So if you just want them to see, I don't know, assets, just their assigned assets, check that box, and then anyone assigned to that group moving forward can only see that. Other nifty things here is you can change like stored payment options, whether or not that person is allowed to add or remove stored credit cards, things like that. Again, they can see everything or not everything, billing related things, whether or not they can see estimates and all that good stuff. Once you're done, go ahead and just click Create Portal Group. And there you go. You can also change the name from out here, just like in security groups. You can clone this. So if you want to create a similar but slightly different group, you just click Make Copy, and you'll see a copy produced where you can rename it, and then you can just come in here and maybe uncheck the one thing you didn't want them to have access to that's different, and you're good to go there. Yeah, it's pretty clean, and it's working really well. Just to head back to the customer really quick so that you can see the drop downs in play here. Again, just click this settings drop down button here, and then in the portal group drop down you can click that and then hit update portal user, and that's it. You can change portal groups and create varying levels of access. And yeah, I really hope folks like this. Please let us know what you think of the feature. If we missed anything, we certainly want to make sure that this is behaving in a way that folks intend, and that it's versatile enough that everyone wants to use it. If you're still paying attention, thank you very much for your time. I'm happy that we can finally release this to everyone, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.